Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog gates that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest Steel Pet Gate. According to veterinary assistant Alex van der Walt, gates can be versatile tools to establish temporary boundaries and are most effective when constructed of robust materials like metal or heavy plastic. This Midwest gate checks the boxes. It is ultra-sturdy, constructed from tubular steel, chew-proof, and free from pet-harming toxins. It comes in white or textured graphite and expands from 29.5 to 38 inches to fit most standard doorways. It features a convenient walk-through door that you can operate easily with one hand, but it latches securely to keep your dog where you want them. Moving on at number 4, we have the COSEND Extra Wide Dog Gate. The COSEND Extra Wide Dog Gate features steel rods and is a pressure-mounted system with an auto-close door. These safety features, along with the vertical bars, are qualities that van der Walt recommends. Robust construction, preferably using materials like metal or heavy-duty plastic, ensures durability. I've also come to favor gates with vertical bars, which deter even the most determined climbers. The COSEND door opens in both directions and will remain open when wider than 90 degrees for easy walk-through. This extra-wide gate stands 32 inches tall and up to 81 inches wide. The pressure system will hold up to 180 pounds, which can help contain even the most enthusiastic pups. This gate is available in both black and white. At number 3, we have the Poland wooden freestanding foldable dog gate. For some dogs, a visible barrier is all it takes to keep them out. If you're looking for a simple but sturdy freestanding dog gate, the Poland wooden freestanding foldable dog gate is tall enough to keep puppies and small dogs in their place but easy enough for you to step over. It features a folding design that fits a wide variety of openings, and it has a wood finish with non-slip rubber feet to protect your flooring. This gate is 24 inches tall and can extend to 80 inches wide. This foldable gate requires no tools for assembly. Simply unfold the gate to set it up and fold it back down for storage. At number 2, we have the MyPet North States Portable Pet Gate. This portable plastic pet gate uses a pressure-mounted system for a sturdy gate solution. This sturdiness is crucial to a safe gate experience. As van der Walt notes, unstable or wobbly gates can be more of a hazard than a help, and wide gaps might just be an invitation for trouble with smaller breeds or curious pups. This gate is 23 inches tall and can be extended to fit door frames up to 40 inches. The gate features rubber bumpers to protect walls and is available in gray or cream color. It is easy to install and take down and lies flat for storage or trips to grandma's. And finally at number 1, we have the Cumbor Retractable Mesh Pet Gate. This retractable pet gate is available in 2 heights, 33 and 41 inches, and 2 maximum widths, 55 and 76 inches, to fit your space. This flexible gate solution requires installation at both sides of your doorframe or stairway, but it can be easily opened and rolled shut. There is no floor-based attachment, so walk-through is easy. It also features a safety locking knob for security, and the mesh material is safe and flexible. All the experts we interviewed note the necessity of a gate that will stay put if your dog puts weight against it. Because of this, retractable models are best for dogs who are not prone to jumping and may work best for smaller dogs. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon